The employment landscape is changing. Gone are the days of the traditional 9 to 5. In its place rises the gig economy. This new world of work is all about short-term contracts, freelance gigs, and on-demand services. Think Uber drivers, food delivery cyclists, and freelance riders. It's a world powered by apps and online platforms. This shift from traditional employment to gig work is driven by technology. It's also fueled by a desire for flexibility and control over one's work life. But this new freedom comes with its own set of challenges. The gig economy is a global phenomenon. It's reshaping how we think about work, income, and the very definition of a job. And it's raising important questions about workers' rights in this rapidly evolving landscape. The gig economy is booming for a reason. It offers a level of freedom and flexibility that traditional jobs often can't match. Want to set your own hours? Be your own boss? The gig economy might just be the answer. For many, the appeal lies in being able to choose projects that align with their skills and interests. Need to work around a school schedule? Have a passion project you're dying to dedicate more time to? Gig work can make it happen. The gig economy also opens doors to multiple income streams. Need to make some extra cash? A side hustle driving for a ride-sharing app or delivering groceries can help make ends meet, and for some it can even turn into a full-time gig. It's this promise of autonomy and earning potential that makes the gig economy so alluring, particularly for younger generations. But let's not sugarcoat it. The gig economy isn't all sunshine and rainbows. While it offers flexibility, it also presents real challenges for workers. The lack of a safety net is a major concern. Gig workers often miss out on basic protections that traditional employees take for granted. Think health insurance, paid sick leave, and retirement plans. These are often absent in the world of gig work, leaving workers vulnerable. And let's not forget about income instability. One week you might be flush with gigs, the next week crickets. This unpredictability can make it tough to budget and plan for the future. Then there's the issue of worker classification. Gig workers are often considered independent contractors, not employees. This distinction has huge implications for their rights and benefits. It's a legal grey area that's being hotly debated, and it's at the heart of the fight for gig worker rights. The gig economy is here to stay. It's woven into the fabric of our modern world. But as it continues to grow, we need to ensure that it works for everyone, not just the platforms that profit from it. That means creating a system that balances flexibility with worker protections. Governments around the world are starting to take notice. They're grappling with how to regulate this new world of work. Some are pushing for legislation that would grant gig workers more rights and protections, like the right to minimum wage, paid time off, and even collective bargaining. This is just the beginning. The future of work is being written right now. And it's up to us to ensure that it's a future where everyone has a fair shot at a decent living, regardless of how they earn their paycheck.